Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a little project I did a few weeks ago with my Daphne's Diary magazine. And since I'm so obsessed with junk journals, that's what I decided to do. So I made two inserts which are in here, and this, by the way, is my newest addition to my traveler's notebook family, which is actually quite small. I think I only have 4. So this is a beautiful pink leather, and this is from AliExpress, and I will link that down below. And I just added these charms myself, so it's a little love thing and a smiley face. So I thought I would just give you a quick flip through. So as I said, there's 2 inserts, so I put them together in here. On the front and back, I just have this plastic pocket that comes with the traveler's notebook. I just keep my scraps in here for when I'm journaling. And this is currently still empty, but I'm gonna put some washi tape samples in here. And I just added a regular clip here where I can just clip my pen, which is my favorite way actually of attaching pens. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is a bit wider than the regular traveler's notebooks, which is really nice because that means the pen is also kind of still, or how should I say, it doesn't stick out as much. So I'm really happy with this actually. So, but getting back to the topic, so I made these 2 inserts using the only magazine I used for these was the Daphne's Diary, and it was the 50th anniversary edition, which I don't know when it came out, maybe a month ago or so. I got it when I was in the States. And I used the front and back covers to make the covers of my insert. So basically this is from the front cover. This little Be Happy sticker was inside the magazine on a sticker sheet. So this is actually, okay, sorry. So this is actually what was on the front cover, and this is the back side of the front cover. Yeah, and then, so on the back side, so this is the back side. I mean, this is confusing. This is the my back insert cover, but it's the front cover of the Daphne's Diary magazine. This is the front and this is the back. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And this one here, this is the second insert. So this one is from the back cover of the magazine, and this is actually the outside back cover, and this is the inside back cover, so inside and outside. And I thought they were so beautiful, and they make such beautiful journals. And all I did was to put them all together, and I will give you a very quick flip through, and in between I just added some pages of like the regular traveler's notebook paper in this is a dot grid. Then I just added random other papers that are either lined or this is construction paper or white paper or whatever. So just to mix it up a bit, and because I didn't want it too colorful and I wanted space to write things, etc. So I put them all together, and then I just stapled it in the middle. And I don't have one of these fancy staplers where you can stamp stuff in the middle. So all I did was I just took my regular stapler, I put a towel underneath, I stapled through on 3 different spots, and then I just bent the little ends down with my scissors. So that was very easy. I'm not sure how many pages actually one of my inserts has. It's not too chunky, so I don't know how many pages, but maybe 20, 30, something like that. So I'll just give you a very quick flip through. This is actually currently my personal journal. So this is where I don't really journal every day at the moment, but I just journal when I feel like it, and I put bits and pieces into it that I collect throughout the day, or when something happens, or just pretty things I find. So yeah, without further ado, I will just give you a quick flip through of both and turn on some music. Enjoy!